Hi folks, my name's Jeff Farris. I'm one of the owners of Sharp Tools USA, the United States' largest distributor of the Tormek water-cooled sharpening system. Today I'd like to share with you some of the features and benefits of the Tormek, and I also want to demonstrate for you how you can easily, accurately, and very quickly sharpen all of your edge tools. We'll start with a bench chisel, sort of the base standard for all woodworking shops, something that everybody needs to sharpen if you do any woodworking at all. But around here, a dull chisel is a hard thing to find. So I guess we're going to have to make one. We're going to take this beautiful Stanley chisel and my patented edge remover, also known as an S-wing hatchet, and we'll just beat the heck out of the end of that chisel. Fill it full of nicks, and now we've ruined that edge. But not for long. You're going to see in the next few minutes how we can very easily reshape that tool and get it back to a perfect cutting edge. The first step is to take our straight edge jig. Now this comes with the basic Tormek system. We're going to put the chisel in the straight edge jig, bring it up against these two pins on the right side, and then bring the clamps down and lock it up. Slide onto the universal tool support, and the bevel angle that we grind on our chisel is determined by the height of the universal tool support. And a brand new feature of the universal tool support is an adjustable thumb wheel, so that we have very accurate control in making very fine adjustments on the universal tool support. If you have an older Tormek system, you can get the new universal tool support with the adjustment and it'll fit right in your machine. We can also measure that angle with the Pro Angle Master. This allows you to preset any bevel angle between 15 and 75 degrees. For our bench chisels, the standard bevel angle is 25 degrees, so we'll set the pointer on 25 and lock it. The other side is adjusted to the diameter of the grindstone. Now that's not something you have to worry about all the time, but once in a while check the diameter of your wheel using the gauge built right into the front of the machine and set this pointer to equal the diameter of the wheel. To set the angle, we're going to rest 2 points of the Angle Master onto the grindstone and adjust the height up or down until we get close. Put the micro adjuster on top of the tube and dial in a perfect fit. Lock it up, and we're ready to go. The grindstone on the Tormek is a 220 grit aluminum oxide grindstone that is made with a ceramic binder. Now the exact composition of that grindstone is an exclusive patented Tormek design. You won't find that stone on any other grinder made anywhere in the world. The grindstone is turning at a speed of 90 RPM, and it's running through a water bath in the tray down below. Now between the low speed and the water bath, this system is so cool you can't even burn your fingers on it. So you certainly can't overheat and draw the temper from a piece of steel. You'll notice I'm working back and forth across the entire width of the wheel. The idea there is we want to maintain an even wear pattern on the grindstone. We're not trying to dissipate heat like you would with a dry grindstone because there's no heat to dissipate. This system is completely cool. It's also spark proof. You never worry about starting a fire in your shop. It's dustless. That water bath is catching all of the steel that comes off the tool and any aluminum oxide that comes off the stone. So you don't have to worry about what you're breathing around the machine. Here's another feature you'll like. At the end of the day, that's cleanup. You don't have to carry all 35 pounds to the sink to dump it out. Just drop that water tray off, empty that, put it back on dry. The next time you want to use the system, just fill it with water and take off. It's that simple. You'll notice we're not shooting red hot sparks across the room. We're not making all kinds of loud, obnoxious racket, but we certainly are getting the job done. In just a couple of minutes, we've completely reshaped that tool, removed the nicks, and taken it the first step to getting it back to a perfect cutting edge.